Let's go for the new pattern. That is pattern 44. Inversion of this one means first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1 like this. All of you. Right. So here I 5 times I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and J about spaces, K about displaying the digits. So J first time no iterations, J second time one space, J third time two spaces, J fourth time three spaces, J fifth time four spaces only. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. All of you, right? Okay, same like the previous one, guys. Let's go here. Right, this is when I is 1, when I is 2, when I is 3, when I is 4, when I is 5, when I is 5. Okay, when I is 1, J, no iterations. When I is 2, J, 1 iteration. When I is 3, J, 2 iterations. When I is 4, J, 3 iterations. 3 iterations. When I is 5, J, 4 iterations. 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 spaces. But when I is 1, 0, J, no iterations. And when I is 1, K, how many times? K, 5 iterations. And then next, when I use 2, K 4 iterations. When I use 3, K 3 iterations. When I use 4, K 2 iterations. When I use 5, K 1 iteration. 1 iteration. That means iterations. When I use 1, when I use 1, what about the J? J, no iterations, right? But K, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 iterations. When I use 2, then J, no 1 iteration. And K, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 iterations, okay? 4 iterations. When I use 3, when I use 3, then J 1, 2, 2 iterations, K 1, 2, 3, 3 times displaying. When I use 4, then J iterating 3 times means 3 spaces coming, K iterating 2 times means 1, 2 displaying. When I use 5, then J 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times space coming, and K only 1 time, 1 value displaying. That's all, right? So let's go for a new program for this one. Pattern 46, sorry, 44. Right. So input of enter n number of rows, enter n number of rows, then n equal to, let's consider 5. For I in range of starting 1, n plus 1 means 1 to 5. For j in range of, so initially j no iterations, then 1 iteration, then 2 iterations, 3 iterations, 4 iterations, starting 1, let's take I plus 1. So what's first time I value? Let me take directly n equal to what? Space, right? And print. Okay, print. Right. So when I value is 1, then j how many times iterating? 1 plus 1, 2. 2 before 1. So starting 1, ending 1 means one iteration will come. Means one time J iterates initially. No. So it iterates, right? But I don't want any iterations initially. Then let's take only I. Only I. When I value 1, when I value 1, so 1 before 0, 1 to 0, no iterations, no iterations, okay, no iterations. When I value 2, when I value 2, then starting 1, ending 2, 2 before 1, 1 to 1 means, right, 1 iteration, J 1 iteration. When I value 3, when I value 3, I value 3, so 1, 2, 3, 3 before 2, 1, 2, okay, so 1, 2. When I value 4, when I value 4, 4 before 3, so 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3. When I value 5, 5 before 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, then each time what displaying here, okay, as well as space to display, let me take, I have taken the iPhone. Let's see now, I'm giving the iPhone, yes, sorry guys. We should use the 5 there, right? Okay, I'm giving the 5, yes. So first time no iterations, second time 1 iteration, next 2 iterations, 3 iterations, and then 4 iterations. 4 iterations, okay. Right. Then let's go for k iteration. K. So first time of 5 times, right? So starting 1, n plus I, n plus I. No, it increased, right? N plus m is increasing. First time 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 3, no. 1 decrease, right? 5 minus I. So what's first time n value 5, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 before 3 only. No. Let's take plus 2 minus I. So 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus I value 1, 6, 6 before 5, so that it iterates 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and 5, first time 5 times iterating, first time 5 times iterating. Right. Next, when I is 2, when I is 2, when I is 2, okay, so 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 2, 5, 5 before 4, so that it iterates 4 times iterates. When I is 3, when I is 3, okay, so 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 3, 4, 4 before 3, so 1 time, 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Next, when I value 4, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 minus 4, 3, 3 before 2, so that, so 1, 2, then last word here, 1, like this. And what display each time? Display a k value only, right? So print of at k and equal to like this. At last, go for the new line. So take the empty print, giving the 5. Yes, now let's take remove this hyphen. Right. So this is the pattern, right? Now let's explain execution flow. Execution flow. First time I value 1. When I value 1, no j iterations, means no spaces. Then k iterates 5 times. First time 1 display, 2 display, 3 display, 4 display, 5 display. So each time after displaying the digits, what is their space is there. That's why first 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space, 5 space. Okay, 5 space. Means now j k iterations over, then empty print is there, means go for new line. The new line means I value 2, j 1 time iterating means 1 space, 1 space, and then and k 4 times iterating, 1, 2, 3, 4 displaying. So 1 space k j, then 1, 2, 3, 4, that's all. 4 space, that's all. Next, when I value 3, so j iterates 1, 2, means 2 times space comes, then 1, 2, 3 will display. So 1 space, 2 space, then 1, 2, 3 space over. And when I value 4, space coming 3 times, then 1, 2 display, 1, 2, 3, 3 times j iteration over, k 1 space, 2 space. 4. When I value 5, 4 times j repeats. That means 4 times space will come and k iterates 1 time. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 space and go for new line. That's all. Right? This is the way how it executes. Okay. Right. Thank you all of guys. Bye.